Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering off the Canon and placing it on a soft, flat surface to protect glass and finish. Next, locate both strap ends where they meet the metal lugs. You should see a small plastic or metal retaining tab. Using your fingernail or a thin, flat tool, depress the tab and pull the strap loop back through the lug just enough to free the retaining piece. Once it slides, keep tension on the strap so it doesn't tangle or snag. You now work one side at a time to maintain control. Don't try to remove both simultaneously. Feed the webbing back through the split ring or plastic clip by pinching the strap and pulling it toward the camera body while holding the clip depressed. If the strap is on a metal split ring, rotate the ring slightly and pry the webbing through the gap. A small screwdriver or key helps, but be gentle to avoid scratching. Make sure each loop fully clears the lug before moving to the next step. Finish by double-checking that both strap ends are completely free from the lugs and that no tiny screws, split rings, or clips are left dangling. Place the strap and any removed hardware into a small zip bag so you won't lose parts. If a ring or clip won't move, apply a tiny drop of penetrating oil, let it sit a minute, then work it with precision pliers. Make sure to protect the camera finish with cloth. If the clip breaks, stop and replace the part before reattaching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.